Ella, can you throw this in the garbage for Mama? Can you throw your squash away? What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with the squash? No, can you come put it in the garbage for Mama? It's time to throw it away. Can you come throw it away for me? Ella. Hey. No, the chickens don't need that. Come here. You're going to give it to the puppies? Ella, can you go throw the squash in the garbage, please? Ella? Ella, can you throw the squash in the garbage for Mama, please? Can you go put it in the garbage for me, since we're all done with it? Good job.